Hello and welcome to the British Tech Guru channel. I'm your host, Zaphod Beeblebrox. Today I want to, in my slightly shaky video, introduce you to a mystery. Okay, what we've got here is the Raspberry Pi. We have a TIP 120 Darlington transistor, and we have it connected to the ground there and to pin 14 there. And the LED on board should flash at the same rate as the lamp here, but it does not, which is very interesting because it's both flashing at the same time in the code. Here we go. Why is that not working? I think that's not properly plugged in. Let me plug that in a bit. There we go. Notice how it's oscillating. It is not transmitting at the same speed, or rather it is transmitting at the same speed, but it's alternating. That goes off at the same time as that, but they're alternating. That is very interesting. I'm wondering if there's a glitch in the Raspberry Pi. I can show you the code, and I will do in a minute. And let me head on and show you code. Well, let's have a look at the Python code for the Morse transmitter. Okay, following the cursor, we have 3 pinouts. We have the LED, which is pin 25, buzzer, which is pin 15, and SkySend, which is pin 14. Pin 14 is the only one that's currently in use, apart from the LED. I'm not using the buzzer right now. We're using timer. I'm setting all the values, the LED, the buzzer and SkySend to 0. And then I'm going through this, calculating times per minute, etc, blah blah blah. Okay, this is the only place where the LED, the buzzer and the SkySend, which is the Morse code transmitter, are actually initiated and revoked. So the signal is initiated, then the time for a dot or a dash, and then it is revoked, followed by a sleep. Now, that is the only place where the transmissions are initiated and cancelled. Now, if I scroll through the rest of this, it's almost code. Oh, why is it doing that? There we go. There's nothing going on here. I am not calling any of my lights or anything like that. It is all here. And the problem seems to be that when the LED is on, SkySend is off. Not sure about the buzzer. I haven't bothered with the buzzer on this particular Pico. I've got many Picos. And then it's off and off and off. So on and on and on, off and off and off. There is just no way on earth that this LED can be on and SkySend be off and vice versa. Absolutely no way. Which leads me to think that, now I was believing that the problem was with the Adafruit relay board. Now I was clearly wrong there. The problem, since this is occurring on 2 Raspberry Pis, the problem is not the code. There is a problem in the Pi itself. There is something intrinsically there appears to be something intrinsically unreliable in the Raspberry Pi Pico. And I wish the Raspberry Pi Foundation success in eliminating the problem. Or they can tell me, there's the problem, it's you're a total asshole. And I'll say, fine, okay, I'm a total asshole. But and they'll probably tell me what the solution is, and I'll be a happy asshole. right now, I think this is proof that there's a problem with the actual Pi itself. And there we are. This has been another production by me, Zaphod Beeblebrox, aka the British Tech Guru.